Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will create the page for adding post and functional that. Here is the tab create, within we will add some fields to add new posts and articles. Okay, uh, here is the index. Okay, and we need to read the previous code. Okay, so this tab 1 is used to create new records. From this one we can copy this, and here is the row which we need to copy this row, go for the new edit layout, page layout, collapse this, and here is that. This is the tab 1, this is the tab 2. Now refresh the page and click on create. So here how it's look alike. Okay, I am going to add post 1, post content 1. Click create, it's created. Post 1. Okay, now we will add post 2 and post 2. Okay, and post 2 is added here. Now what we need to do, we need to change the text of successful message. I don't know what's something happens there. Okay, yes, cannot insert duplicate object. Okay, continue. Here is post 4 and post 4, create menu link. Okay, so we need to change that. In the index, here is the get, delete, and here is the insertion post. You have successfully created a post, and get the record. So when it's get the record, we need to change this one too. Okay, so we simply go for this each loop and copy paste here. Okay, now it's working fine. So when we will go here, we will not found this content anymore. Now refresh the page once. Create page in HTML. Create a tutorial post. Here is that, and here is edit, and here is delete, which is working right now, and here is the status. And we also need to work with the status. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will work on. I hope this tutorial is informative. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.